Hi, teacher and partners. This is Siderman. I'm going to explain about the dialect. So, what is the dialect? The dialect is the way in which every person used to speak in different places. Yeah? Like the sense that the the people has, right? Because it's different. For example, the words that we use here in Tolima than the words that use, for example, in Medellin, for example, because we know that in Medellin the people speak the same language, of course, but use different words, which is the most important thing because they use different words than here than Tolima. Exactly, Carmen de Picala. I am in Carmen de Picala. Yeah, because for example, alright, let me think about. For example, the example that I got here. For example, piña. Here in Tolima, Carmen de Picala, we say piña. And in Chile, they say anana. Yep, anana. I never had heard that word, anano, but it's in Spanish and in Tolima, it's the same than piña. And for example, mm, in Mexico, yep, here we say in Spanish mazorca, but in Mexico they say elotes. Yeah. So the characteristic of the dialect is divided geographically because every place in which we go, we are going to find different words, different accents, different ways in which the people express the feeling and let us know why they want to do or why they are feeling. And the last one, the dialect in Colombia, the dialect in Colombia, the dialect, it's what for us it's normal, yeah, but for example, well, actually, the dialect basically is the accent and the essence in which different people from different places use the language, right? Basically, is that basically like the example, anana in Chile, and in Colombia is piña. Elote, it's in Mexico, and mazorca, it's in Colombia. Basically, that is the dialect in Colombia and in all of the places. So, thank you, teacher and classmate. This was Siderman. Have a good day.